Hello lovely viewers, now welcome back to Top Trendy channel. So today topic na about this Vicky girl we go do Bobby for met contour, but she can't get complication. Now a matter make us come outside today. I can't still leave my opinion, make una leave my opinion on this video. We do not think about this girl and the thing what she do. Alright, so now matter make us come out. So she say according to her, she do video cry out. So make una watch this video to the end, make una see her video where we say she do, where she dey cry, and the things where we say she talk. And another person still there where we say this men's consult does still do Bobby for, but she still get complications. Her video still there here, what thing she still talk about this woman whether they call med contour or doctor. So just try watch this video to the end and make una leave an opinion about what this girl do. So my people, down to the story of this Vicky girl. You say according to her, where she do the video, she dey cry, say she go do big boob, go do a Bobby make it big like Nicki Minaj. All right, you go do and make it be like Nicki Minaj own. So it's saying a met contour. For those of my say many people, if you don't know met contour, now know this doctor and na Lagos she did. He say she practiced this surgery thing for America according to her. But most people will say this woman don't do these things. Most people will say I don't see for Facebook, Instagram, that they always get complications. I don't know why. So according to this girl, say she go grow a Bobby. Maybe the one God give her enough value and he wants me big. He go grow a Bobby now, he reach there. You say according to her, she said she pay 1.5 million. 1.5 million and she take do this Bobby so where they throw away milk. So now they say maybe if you not check the background where now you see say the girl maybe the parents they suffer now. Or the parents they not get that kind of money for account. So you will be girl, what will be your problem? You get 1.5 million, you say now Bobby, you want use and go grow. You know, I don't know why sometimes the men go they say women get fish brain. When they will say women get fish brain, I know they like argue with them because if you see the way some girls' attitude be, you really know say yes, women get fish brain. As a woman, you get 1.5 million. You know, establish better business for yourself. Where we say money go they come on a daily basis. No, you want to go grow your Bobby. Not be everybody. Everybody get the way God take create them. Not be everybody where God create now you go get that Coca-Cola shape. Not be must. Even if you want to get and say miss they will be say you will get and will be say you know will get complications for your body. If you that kind of person will be say your belly big and you want to make it shaping, you want me be like Coca-Cola, waist trainer day, and make them do waist trainer. If you feel suffer, go through the stress of that waist trainer. You wear a day and night, your belly will go inside and your shape will come out as Coca-Cola shape. I can say girl, if you maybe they I know say most times all these things we girls they do and because of men. So I'm gonna say no, not because of man. No, I just want one because I like her. My sister, shut up. What do you like? You just want one because you like him. What do you like? I say girl, you no go reason. Say okay, this thing one I want to so. If you not get complications now, if you don't the old don't call. Silicone dey inside your either dey inside your baka or dey inside your Bobby. If you don't dey grow or you don't dey old, how you feel say you want be? Your body don't dey wrinkle. You don't dey old like your body don't dey no as old people skin they be. How you say me that silicone or that thing will be say you put for Bobby and the thing will be say you put for your baka be how you go be? Now no they see for social media where you go see say you see woman Bobby dey rotty or Ibaka dey rotty. I don't want just call the full name here because for the sake of my YouTube channel. So no they see I'm not going to use a guess sense as a woman or a lady or anything at all. Maybe you the date guy for instance. Maybe the guy not like your shit. As God creates woman like this, He creates a tiny one. He creates lekba. He creates fat one. The secret average will be say no fat, no lekba, just a day like that. As God creates, and I still they create preference where people will go still like them, people will go prefer them, okay? If you dey date guy wey be say because you no get baka or bobby no your bobby no rich, you no want, you leave am, move on. Another person wey be say you like am, like you as you take dey, as your shape be, e go come. Me, I no know wetin be this girl's problem. Okay, use 1.5 million to go do this thing, so we put it for. So my people, I will put this video, make una watch am, make una leave my opinion about wetin this girl do so. Wetin this girl do so. Make una watch am. Even I still see another video where another girl still dey complain, I go still put this video. Say since when she take do this thing where she do for Dr. Anuabi cosmetic name where they call, well, since when she do, I like no remain the same. Now pills she dey take every day. Why una go put on herself for this stress? Why una go put on herself for this problem? If see, women are flower, whether you like it or not. No matter how you maintain your body rich, no matter how you do rich, if you don't dey old, all those things go fade. You no get how you go to escape them. It go must fade. So as a woman, you need to use your sense. Go see how they press the bobby self, see things where they come out inside, carry yourself, and the bobby self where she want me stand like a virgin, like person will be say when you they grow breast. Bobby will want me stand like person when you they grow bobby. It be like as they don't treat her now, they treat her not be say the thing don't he finish her. It be like person will be say he don't born 10 children. He don't born cut children bobby. Everything don't go down low. So my people now know they get sense. I'm gonna say no. I want the cost go slow. I want the cost go slow. Since when you be car when you want cost go slow, if I walk up past, people go look back. Car, Venza, when want the cost go slow. Now not go use on our brain. Not go use because on ourselves they cause problem for ourselves. If you want to still do all these things, not be all those doctors will be say they just still new start. Now no know whether not everybody will go school get brain on. Now the thing will be say we don't know be that one. Go say yes, I go to school, I get the certificate. Not be everybody will enter class, know what they teach. Now so the other one where they say sunshine be beauty queen. Now so it's still end and home for this woman hand. If they do that one, that time they can't still arrest this woman. They do the girl, she not make am for them because you want fine. Who you want fine for? If you want fine for man, the man no maintain yourself. Alright, not be by to shaping yourself, do that one, do this one, grow bobby, grow back. Not being man go tell like you. Even if you dey date man or you marry man, obviously you grow everything, you do everything for him. If you want to cheat, he go leave you with everything where you get. He go still go outside. Now person will be say not get him at all, he go still do. Make una get sense. So my people, make una leave una comment about this thing where this girl do so. And make una watch the video when I try show now.
Hello everyone. My name is Vic, also known as Sunshine. I'm the lady that had the liposuction from MedContour, Dr. Anu. A fat transfer to my breast, which I paid the sum of 1.650. Ever since then, I've been having so many complications, which I tried to reach her. She put me on Reservine injection for 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks again, I left breast, started showing reddish shine, and I tried to contact her again. She put me on the Reservine injection for 2 weeks. After taking the Reservine, the red sign keeps coming back again. I went for which they said it was an abscess, which is this my left breast. They drained it off and I went home. I was thinking it was settled there. In a month, it came back again. I went back to the same hospital. They drained it again. Then after, my right breast started becoming reddish again. That is when I went to another hospital and I had a scan there, which is, this is the scan I went to have there. This is what the picture looks like. They say they have multiple abscess on my two breasts, that I have to drain it again because I had no money and I've really spent all my money on this. I drained all of the left side breast, which is this one. Then I went home. A friend of mine directed me to Lutz Hospital, the one in Yaba. I've been in Lutz Hospital for 5 days now, and I had another scan again. That was when they drained this one. And now they asked me to come back next week again to have another scan and to still drain the remaining one, because as you can see, this one, there's nothing here anymore again, and this one is still a bit hard.
You want to do, love yourself, love your body. If you can still work on your body, fine. And if you decide to get surgery, please, I am begging you, please avoid med contour. Please avoid med contour, please. I'm literally battling for my life every day, and I don't want to talk about this thing now. I don't even think I'm mentally okay to talk about the things I went through and all the damage that was done to me, the expense, I'm literally financially drained right now, but I'll be fine. I'm okay. I'm getting treatment. I'll be fine. I'll be okay.